This is Mark, and I'm showing my application for the NASS database. I've only used the survey part of the NASS. The crop or the census part isn't being used. This is a Samsung S4 running Android 5.01, I think. So let me start off with the next level above survey. And I'm going to go to crops, and what this application will do is you make selections, and I'm going to go to field crops and the corn, and right here is where it gets interesting after the field crops and corn, where we have some selections based on a certain field. And this one is got yield and price received. I'm going to go to yield first, and the next selection is bushels per acre for the yield, and then I'm going to go up to the state level, and we're going to go to Nebraska. And let's see, Nebraska. Oops, missed Nebraska. There's Nebraska. See right there, you can see it. I'm going to zoom in a little. You can see the selection so far. The next one is type of forecaster, the way it looks at the years. And I want to pick 1950. And then I want to just hit the go button. I could put in a selection of how a filter on how good the yield should be or how bad it should be, but I'm just going to go with anything here greater than 0. And in 1950 it shows you it had irrigated, it had unirrigated, or and non-irrigated, and then you had all production classes. See I'll zoom in on it. Irrigated, non-irrigated, and irrigated, the yield. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go take a look at all the years for Nebraska and hit the go button. Now it starts at 1866. And I'm going to move on down. You can see it's going a little fast here. But it's around 24 in the early 40s. And get up to 81. You got 115, 129. And non-irrigated is dramatically less than irrigated. So you keep moving down, and you can see that it's gone up to like 201 bushels in 2014. And let's see, 2011 it's a little bit less. But we'll look at the prices next. That's where. Well, Nebraska, look at the data here. You can see it as 1980. It's the first year with more than $3 a bushel. And it looks like the best year was around 2012. It's 685. If I can find you there. So there's basically I can filter on price or bushels per acre, the yield or the price. We can go even to livestock. And I noticed looking at this database that the veal has gone to veal has gone way down since the 1950s. It's only yeah. I got the green light, and we have veal totals. Let's see. I think there's a 54. There's a 1,500,000,051 pounds of veal, and we go down all the way to the end here, 2013, and there's a whole bunch of numbers here. There's slaughter, all production practices. There's slaughter commercial, and slaughter on farm, and slaughter commercial all. And even if you add all of them up, it's not even close to that 1,551,000,000. So that's where things have gone with veal. It's gone way down, and that's what my database does. It